This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The Dow lost a bit of ground today, one session after ending at an all-time high, as investors considered Dow component Alcoa's earnings miss, as well as big setback for Boeing. Former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan said that while U.S. economic data looked good in the third quarter, growth rate will continue to slow and the housing market will weaken further. Meantime, Federal Reserve policymakers signaled that they are in no hurry to reduce interest rates again because they aren't convinced the U.S. economic expansion is coming to an end. Officials didn't want investors to conclude extra cuts were guaranteed in the U.S. In other news today, inventories at U.S. wholesalers remained at the leanest levels ever. In relation to sales in August, wholesale sales increased 0.4% in August, while inventories rose 0.1%. According to the National Association of Realtors, the decline in 2007 sales of existing homes will be steeper than previously anticipated. The eighth straight downwardly revised forecast calls for U.S. existing home sales to be 10.8% lower than last year as housing market struggles persist. And according to the Mortgage Bankers Association's weekly application survey, shows mortgage application volume actually increased 2.4% during the week ending October 5th. MGM Mirage said its board has approved the development of a major resort casino project at Renaissance Point in Atlantic City, New Jersey. In earnings news today, Alcoa said that its third quarter profit edged up more than 3%, helped by the sale of a stake in China's largest aluminum maker. But the results did fall short of Wall Street expectations. Chevron Corporation shares came under pressure after the oil giant warned investors to expect third quarter net earnings significantly below the record $5.4 billion it posted in the previous quarter. Meanwhile, Valero Energy joined other big oil refiners issuing profit warnings, becoming the latest victim of higher crude prices squeezing margins. In other earnings news, Costco Wholesale said its fiscal fourth quarter profit climbed 5% on increased membership fee revenue and higher same-store sales at warehouses. And Monsanto posting a fiscal fourth quarter loss weighed down by charges related to its acquisition of cotton company Delta and Pine Land Company. Shaw Group reported a profit in its third quarter on strong demand for power generation capacity and petrochemicals processing. Scheduled economic reports tomorrow include the initial jobless claims for the week of October 6th and import-export prices, along with the trade gap for August. Scheduled earnings reports out on Thursday include Mead Instruments, Safeway, Samsung Electronics, Winnebago Industries, the Bank of the Ozarks, and PepsiCo. Some of the stocks we are watching today include International Paper Company warning that disappointing land sales will push third quarter profit below Wall Street's targets. iRobot Corp said that its third quarter financial results will be weakened by initial production delays on its vacuum cleaning robot product. And 99 cents only stores expects to report a fiscal second quarter net loss because of short-term operating margin and execution issues. And that's the Market Wrap on this Wednesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.